Let's go, XRP fam. Wow, I was about to record this video, come on and talk about the potential of the FOMC and what was going to happen there, but we've got some breaking news if you're an XRP holder. As I said, holy fucking shit. XRP Ripple, the SEC Ripple case is done. Finito. And there's a clip here of Brad Gardenhouse. Listen to a few seconds of it just so you can hear it from Brad and not me.
Just over 4 years ago, the United States SEC filed its lawsuit against Ripple. I'm finally able to announce that this case has ended.
Let's go, Brad. And he talks about it for like 4 minutes, but I'm not going to play the whole video. You can find it on Brad Gardenhouse's Twitter, who's the CEO of Ripple, if you didn't know. Stuart Alderati, the chief legal counsel over at Ripple, said today Ripple moves forward stronger than ever. This landmark case set a precedent for the domestic crypto industry. And then people have been asking me, what does it mean, like in terms of the institutional sales, etc. And then Stuart goes on to say, with the SEC dropping its appeal, Ripple is now in the driver's seat. We'll evaluate how best to pursue our cross appeal. Regardless, today is a day to celebrate this victory. Honestly, guys, it's been a long time coming. I don't know if you can still hear me on the mic, but like, fucking hell. XRP as an asset, actually making me feel a bit emotional. XRP as an asset and community has been something that has changed my life. And actually, I have an XRP tattoo right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I have an XRP tattoo, a little one. And me and my sister have exactly the same tattoo. Because the asset changed my life, not just financially, but also gave me a platform and confidence to speak about things. XRP gave me the conversation with Raoul Pal, and I published an article for him at Global Macro Investor back in 21 or 22, I can't remember it, that really kick-started my journey into content creation, crypto, and sharing analysis with people. So it's been flipping tough. Like, it's been tough. I've been laughed out of rooms by multiple people, both peers and people in the community in general, like community members, retail investors, including myself. I'm a retail investor, but I mean like just random people who are just investing. Like, has taken a lot of hate, a lot of crap over the years. And realistically, like, we've been right. We haven't been wrong. And today's a day to celebrate that. Like, pat yourself on the back if you've been holding that whole time, especially if you've been buying throughout the fear. Like, it's not an easy thing to do. It's not an easy thing to do for anyone, but I just want to say, like, it's been very tough in some of the circles, especially that I've been trying to hang around in and speak to people in the industry. That's been very, very difficult. But today's a day for celebration, nothing else other than that. Well, let's look at the XRP price chart. We're going to take us down just to the hourly so we can see what's happening here. This is on KuCoin, so let's just use Binance. Binance, big volume on the hourly. We're up today about 11% so far. I don't know where this goes. Short term, in the last time we had a pump from news like this was when obviously Torres said that XRP was not a security. We pumped quite a lot on that day, but we did retrace most of the pump. I think we're waiting on the macro to see more signs of life. We've got the FOMC again, as I said, today still, so things could change in the short term if Jerome Powell like shits on us, and he could realistically, but he also might not. And if he doesn't, we're in Send Central. My predictions for $5 in March are looking less stupid now. Potentially, we're not there yet. Obviously, we're at 250, but potentially looking less stupid now. Maybe I was early, I don't know. These things just seem to happen when the chart's telling you that things are looking like they're going to get ready for a move. If we look at the 3-day time frame, this is something I've been talking to you guys about over and over and over again. We wanted this 3-day bullish cross, and we've got 9 hours 46 on this, so I probably won't be sleeping much tonight, realistically. The last time we got the 3-day bullish cross was literally here on this vertical line. As you can see, if you look at price action, 51 cent bullish cross on the RSI, rips up to 270, or the absolute top at $3.30, I think. So if we just say let's say the next candle after the bullish cross to give you an idea of that move. 434%. Or 500-ish% if we go to the absolute highs. I think I've got a fly on my leg. 1 second, guys. I definitely have. Okay, that's gone. Or 512%. So let's just have a look where 400 and 500% would take us from here. Let's just go from exactly where we are right now. Let's say this is the bullish cross. 400% would take us to $13 and 500% to 15. Whether we get that right now, I don't know. I've been saying to you guys that I think we're in the third wave of an extended third. I think this is one. I think this is. Let me show you. Hang on. I'm going to show you just clearly what I think and why I think it. This is on the 3-day time frame. Again, this isn't going to be accurate, but this is potentially what I think. 1, 2, and then we're about to start 3. It's basically what I think. Some people say that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, just to blow off top. I don't know. I don't think so. I think this is 1, 2, and then 3 is what we're in now, and 3 takes us up to those anywhere between $8 to $12, maybe to $15 if we have an overextension. 4 is consolidation and 5's the overextension if we get that. So let's see. Like, it's early to be making these sorts of calls, but that's what I think. And I've been talking about XRP ETH and how that's been the indicator for this cycle. XRP ETH is literally banging its head on the main resistance now. We get a break of this resistance, guys, and we get this 3-day close above here tonight, and I'm starting to get super bullish, guys. I'm going to start throwing animes all over the place on X again. We all love that. Well, I love it anyway, so even if you don't, I'm still going to do it. XRP Bitcoin still banging its head on resistance. Like, obviously, this news is pretty fresh. Let's see if we get the break, and if we get the break, if Jerome Powell comes in and he's nicey tonight, like, we're flying. XRP dominance, potentially going for its highest daily 3-day close ever. Again, it'd be lovely to get that close above this 6.13%. That'd be fantastic, where it says close above here. This is where we start to get in the overextension sort of like pumping territory, where I've said that it's going to start to be more difficult in terms of like take profit targets, etc. But right now, guys, I'm in shock. I feel a bit emotional. I'm going to probably go out for a beer. I don't know if anyone wants to go out for a beer with me. Like, I'm going to send some texts out, or might just have a steak. I've got some steak we actually bought some steak yesterday, so I might just go and eat a steak in my own flat and look out the window and think, wow, today was a flipping good day, man. Let's go. It's fantastic. ETH's also doing pretty well here, which I presume means the Bitcoin dominance is coming down. Wouldn't it be nice if XRP is just starting alt season? XRP is pushing alt season right now. That'd be fantastic. And yeah, then ETH starts to send it too, but XRP outperforms ETH. Let's get XRP up to the 12, 14, 20% dominance, and then let's see what's going on from there. See if we can cycle our bags, make some big rotations, or just see if we can hold XRP for as long as we can hold it. I don't really know what else to say. My mind is spinning. I'm buzzing. XRP is up 12% on the day right now. Let's have a look on the daily time frame. Everything's going to be starting to cook. The standard RSI has been in like a downtrend since the high. Let's see if it's broken that yet. It's not. Everything's just touching resistance levels. Sometimes you get these pieces of news and they help you break out of these resistance levels. Let's see. We want the daily close up above like 280. Realistically, if we can get a daily close above $3, I'm going to start to get excited. I'm excited anyway. Like, whether this leads to a breakout or not because of the macro, I honestly don't know. But if we get to see now what or if any companies have been waiting to announce partnerships, anything with Ripple, and I think they will be. We've started to see the legislation come through, obviously, in Dubai. I think there's going to be multiple announcements over the next few weeks now, probably. and it's going to be flipping fun, innit? Like, I'm just going to be here. I'm going to be sitting on my YouTube channel, on my Twitter, clapping every single day when we get these nice announcements. We deserve this. Enjoy it, because you don't get days like this very often. This is something I will say to you. Yes, there's going to be a time in the not too distant future where I'm going to be preaching caution and saying, look, we need to start taking some money off the table, or looking at taking money off the table, or rotating. Today is a day for excitement, enjoyment, and celebration. A lot of people have taken a lot of risks and put themselves in difficult positions, including myself. I've been all in on this asset. So enjoy today. Whatever price action does, enjoy it anyway. Like, 12% up, everyone's saying, oh, it's not enough of a pump, whatever. Like, honestly, just enjoy the news, because if you don't enjoy today, you're never going to enjoy any day, and you deserve it, realistically. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to leave this video here. Thank you for tuning in. Please do subscribe if you watch, because I know a lot of you watch and don't subscribe, and I don't know why that happens, but just please do. It helps me. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. That'd be flipping awesome. If I could get there, I'm like 8,400 or something. Appreciate everyone who has subscribed and who watches my videos on the regular. Do share it with a friend and comment down below XRP to the moon if you think we're going to send it now. So anyway, it's my dad's birthday, so fantastic birthday present for him as well, I guess. He's a big XRP holder who will be at Token 2049 if anyone's going there and wants to meet us, I guess. Peace up, A-Town down, as Crypto Insight UK would say. Thanks for tuning in, guys.